there be light. Sorry guys, no screen printing video this week, but I am making something that I think will help improve my future videos. Today I'm making a DIY camera slider. A camera slider is a tool that videographers or cinematographers use to get nice, smooth camera motions. And up until now, I've just, held the camera to get, motions like this or like that. But most people, especially me, do not have a steady hand when it comes to making those kinds of motions. So it ends up being very wobbly. So something like a camera slider or a tripod dolly or stabilizer or what have you really help to get those nice smooth motions. I've wanted to add a camera slider to my arsenal of camera gear for a long time now, but I've never actually wanted to go and buy one. I've always felt that I could just put something together that kind of worked, and so that's what I'm doing today. It's a pretty simple setup. The camera sits on top of a carriage. That carriage has wheels, and those wheels move alongside of a track. There's not much more to it than that. It's just about going to your local hardware store to find the appropriate pieces. Here's what I'm working with. 4 1-foot long angle irons, 2 2-foot long PVC pipes, 4 conduit fittings, 8 skateboard wheels, some kind of bracket thingy that looks like this, 8 5/16 hex bolts, and then nuts and washers to go along with those bolts, some 1/4-inch machine screws, and then some nuts and washers for those screws. And then, completely optional, some black spray paint, because it's gotta look cool, right? So, let's get to it. I'm pretty stoked on this thing. It's super smooth, and it was really, really easy to put together. I don't know if you noticed, but I added a little piece of felt on top, just so I can make it a little bit softer and I'm not scratching anything up. And then I put my camera cage on top of that, so my camera goes there, my microphone, maybe a little monitor. The possibilities are endless. One of the things I like to do with it is mount it on top of my lighting stands. That allows me to get shots that are a little bit higher, so I'm not restricted by just putting it on a table or on the floor. And I can actually adjust the height on those stands so I can give it a slight tilt if I want. Just more options. I think the only thing I would change about it is maybe add a couple more pipes to it so it's about 2 feet longer. That way I could cover more ground. But, other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, all that stuff, and I'll see you next time.